Hey guys, welcome to another real nice recipe from Real Nice Guyana. Today we're going to be doing a fried Karela with shrimp recipe. This was requested by Babe. And for this dish here, we're going to be using 4 Karelas here, 1 tomato. We're going to be adding shrimp to this Karela, 3 stems of shallot, half an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 pepper, 1 wiri pepper. And we have our salt to taste here. Okay guys, so that's all you're going to be needing for this fried Karela with shrimp. So let's get started. So first we're going to clean the Karelas here and cut it up. So after cutting the ends and taking out the insides, we're going to cut it up now for cooking. Now you're going to cut them like that. Okay guys, so what do you do after cutting up the Karela? What is usually done, because Karela is a bitter vegetable, you need to remove some of the bitterness from it before you cook it. So the way you do that is that you add some salt there, and the salt is going to release the enzymes in the Karela, and you'll be able to squeeze it without even adding any water, and you're going to get rid of some of those bitter juices from it. And that's what we're going to do now. So we have added 1 tablespoon of salt, and that should be enough to make it release the juices, to squeeze it. You see that? So the salt has made that possible, releasing the stuff in there. Okay, so after you squeeze it there, you gotta wash it out. So once you finish washing it there now, you're gonna squeeze it out like that. And then this here is gonna be ready for cooking. So we're gonna just crush this garlic here. You can chop it up finely if you want, but we do it like this here. And the reason why you use fresh garlic like this in dishes like Karela is because Karela is something soft and can absorb this garlic easily, even if it is chopped or crushed, as opposed to meat. When you're using the crushed garlic, the minced garlic, the garlic needs to get into the meat and stuff like that, so you need the finer, more watery form of the garlic. So this is the finished crushed garlic here guys, and this is good enough. So now we have our crushed garlic here, we have our Karela, we've chopped up the tomatoes, the shallot, the onions, and we have the shrimp here, and we are ready to go guys. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we have 2 tablespoons of oil heated in this karahi here, and we're gonna get started. First we're gonna add our onion, shallot, and we're gonna add the crushed garlic. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. Now we're gonna add our tomato. So we have let this fry here for about a minute and a half or so to release all the flavors from everything in there. And now we're gonna add our Karela. And we're gonna add half a tablespoon of salt. So we're gonna also add a little bit of black pepper to this Karela here, guys. Just a little sprinkle. And then we're gonna let this turn this up and let it cook. And we're gonna see you in the next step, guys. Okay guys, so we are now gonna cover this karahi. We don't usually cook the Karela covered because it releases, when it's covered, it releases too much vapor and get it too soggy. So it's best to cook this open. So we're gonna let this cook and we're gonna get back to you guys. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes now since we started this Karela here, and we've turned it occasionally, and after 20 minutes this is what it looks like here now, and it shouldn't be too long more before this is over, and we're gonna show you what the final product is, guys. And this is looking yummy already, isn't it? Okay guys, so it's been another 8 minutes since we checked the Karela last, so it's 20 and 8, 28 minutes, and this Karela here is now done, as you can see. So that's it for Guyana fried Karela with shrimp, and that's how we do it, guys. Okay guys, so there you have it, Guyana fried Karela with shrimp, and this we cooked on a medium heat. You don't want to cook this on a high heat because what's going to happen is it's going to get crispy on the outside and it wouldn't cook on the inside. So this needs to be cooked on a medium heat. So let me just take a taste here and see if there's enough salt or too much salt. And this has enough salt, it's good. It's cooked properly. And this tastes really great with the shrimp flavor in there. So this here will go nice with roti, just roti, or you can have this with dal and rice as well. This is another topping for your dal and rice. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. When you subscribe, you get notified of every video that we post to YouTube so you don't miss a thing. Please share this video. And as always, thank you for watching, guys. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye.